Hey, I'm just doing a quick video on how to use the clutch interlock bypass feature on the Jeep Wrangler JL. It's not as intuitive as the JK Wrangler, and the owner's manual currently does not list the process on how to get this function to work. So right now I'm in 4 low, I'm in gear, and normally in a JK I should be able to start the vehicle without depressing the clutch pedal, but in the JL that doesn't work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to start the vehicle and I'm going to get moving forward, and then I'm going to use the brakes to stall the vehicle. And then once I do that, there will be a message that displays on the dash here. So I'm starting the vehicle now, moving forward. Vehicle stalls, and it says to start in gear, press brake and hold button. The button it's referring to is the start stop button here, so I'm going to do exactly that, not depress the clutch pedal. I'm just pressing the brake pedal. I'm going to attempt to start the vehicle. Once the starter starts turning, I am going to release the brake pedal so that doesn't prevent me from moving forward. And there we go, the vehicle is started. Now you only have about 20 seconds from the time the vehicle stalls to restarting the vehicle. After that, it won't let you start the vehicle without depressing the clutch pedal.